My name's Ricky, I'm from Pride Landscape and Design, I'm a tradesman at ratedpeople.com, and this morning we're here to talk about preparing for your next garden design project before hiring a gardener or landscaper. One thing I would suggest to all homeowners is to have an area of your garden for composting, to keep all your grass cuttings and leaves all in one place, which will really help keep the garden tidy. This is great for enriching your soil and also saves you buying fertilisers, which is brilliant for the environment. When you found an area that you want to plant in, it's really important that you check the ground conditions, and as you can see here, it's really wet and boggy, which can really limit the choice of plants you can put in here. And a gardener can advise you well on your plant choices, but could also come up with a solution to resolve the drainage problem, which then will broaden your choice again of plants that you can use. A good thing to do before you consider plants is know what type of soil you've got in your garden. Here I'm using a soil testing meter. This will tell me exactly what the pH is of the soil and how much light gets to the area. If you're unsure, a landscaper can advise you on what type of soil you have and what plants can go in. Another thing to consider is where the sun and the shade is in the garden. You can use an app or a compass just to follow the sun and see where it comes up and where it goes down and find the sunniest spot in your garden. Here is the southern part of the garden, which would be a great spot for a patio area, feature area, for planting. This area would really thrive in the summer months. So one thing you really need to consider when undertaking your garden project is budget. It will really help you just to do a bit of research and try and find out a base price of what materials cost. And don't be scared to be open about your budget with a landscaper or garden designer, as they will just help you get the most out of your budget that you have available. A great way to start your project is by taking photos of the space and really trying to envision in how you would like to use it. Some people really struggle with this, and Pinterest is a great platform to use to get some inspirational ideas which will help you pick your colour palette, materials and any features that you would like within your garden, and most importantly will really help you communicate these across to your landscaper to make sure that you're going to get what you're wanting out of the garden. Thank you for watching the video. I hope it's given you some tips and inspiration for your next project. That's it from me. I'll see you next time.